A company wants to standardize tagging across all accounts managed under their AWS organization structure to enable precise cost tracking by business unit. What is the most efficient and low-maintenance strategy to achieve this tagging consistency and enable cost reporting? Option A, implement AWS Organizations tag policies to mandate specific tags, then activate those tags within the AWS Billing and Cost Management console. Option B, set up AWS CloudTrail to trigger custom AWS Lambda functions that identify and tag resources.
Option C, utilize AWS config to assess tagging status and employ AWS budgets to auto-generate tags for cost distribution. Option D, standardize resource creation via AWS Service Catalog for mandatory pre-tagging using AWS Trusted Advisor to oversee organizational compliance. This question explores how to manage governance at scale. We are looking for a native, centralized mechanism that enforces metadata standards across multiple AWS accounts to ensure accurate financial reporting without creating excessive administrative overhead.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. AWS Organizations tag policies provide a centralized, automated method to govern tagging schemas across an entire organization. This is the most efficient approach because it enforces standards without requiring complex custom scripts. Once these policies mandate specific tags, you must explicitly activate them in the AWS Billing and Cost Management console. Only then will these tags function as official cost allocation tags, allowing you to track costs accurately by business unit.
Let's look at why the other options are less ideal. Option B creates high operational overhead by requiring you to build and maintain custom Lambda functions triggered by CloudTrail. Option C is incorrect because while AWS config can evaluate compliance, it cannot automatically tag resources, and AWS budgets lacks the capability to create tags. Finally, option D is limited because Service Catalog only restricts the creation of new resources, and Trusted Advisor is simply a monitoring tool that lacks enforcement power.